Hi everyone, I'm Alessandro Camisa and today we are in Puglia. Welcome to Masseria del Saliceto, a rare 18th century Apulian estate where stone holds stories and silence is not empty, but full of meaning. Every wall whispers of season past, of holy harvest, of barefoot children, of sound that never hurried. Nestled in the heart of Itria Valley, in Martina Franca, this timeless country house offers refuge not from the world, but from the noise that distracts us from what truly matters. Here, life slows to a meaningful rhythm, and the space becomes sacred again. This is not a simple accommodation, it's a gathering. 7 refined double bedrooms across 2 villas gracefully and sharing the land. Embrace up to 18 guests with generosity and charm. The architecture flows with effort, from hand-laid stone floors to arched ceilings, from contemporary comforts to innovated materials. Each space is intentional. Each stay designed to reconnect to nature, to those you love, to yourself. Masseria del Saliceto, this truth is embraced in every corner. A private pool with loungers, parasols, and the breeze-swept silence invites long afternoons and unhurried evenings. A Moroccan-inspired lounge carved into the stone creates a twilight even for drinks and stories. The garden, fragrant with the citrus, wraps around the property like a blessing, and the dining becomes a ritual under the stars by the firelight with the luxury of the time. Then there is the pool. Not just a pool, an infinity edge mirror, where the water sky blends so seamlessly. You begin to doubt where the earth ends and the heaven begins. This is the kind of luxury that doesn't scream, it whispers, it invites, suspended in silence, framed by olive trees and the dry stone walls. The infinity pool, developed in the Trani stone, is more than a place to swim. It's a place to breathe again. Interiors at Masseria del Saliceto are not designed, they are revealed. They rise from the materials of the land and the needs of the soul. Fully equipped kitchens, intimate living rooms, handcrafted fixtures and rooftop lighting, everything here serves the experience of the living well. From every window a view, from every room calm. Wi-Fi, floor heating, air conditioning, security systems. Modern comfort is never missing, but never louder than the beauty that surrounds it. This is where Camisa Essential transforms the ordinary into the unforgettable. Imagine sunrise yoga beneath century-old olive trees, a private wine tasting in the courtyard, guided by local sommelier, burrata or mozzarella making with the master artisan from nearby farms, a typical Italian gozo boat day along the unspoiled Ionio coast, a string quartet beneath the stars just for you. Our concierge team is here to translate your wishes into stories. All you need to do is ask. This estate is a living story. Surrounded by orchards and olive groves, Masseria del Saliceto continues to produce its own organic extra virgin olive oil, a traditional centuries-old and vet, entirely alive. Fenced, gated and protected, the grounds are both expansive and intimate. A private sanctuary with the wisdom of the countryside in every stone. This is not just hospitality, this is heritage created and shared. Located just minutes from Martina Franca, close to the golden beach of Ostuni and with the entire Itria Valley at your fingertips, Masseria del Saliceto offers more than a convenience. It offers context. From the baroque lanes of Sceglie Messapica to the mystical caves of Montevicoli, from ancient towns to pristine beaches. Your world expands here even as you slow down. Because here, at the edge of the olive trees, you don't just travel, you return to the essence, to the presence, and to home. Thank you to join us today at Masseria del Saliceto. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and see you in the next episode.